Hey guys, Andrew Marsh here with Drew Fit. I want to thank you guys for tuning in today. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you urine therapy for Looksmaxing benefits. Now before I get into that, as always, if you guys can please hit that red subscribe button so you guys can check out more of my content and be notified when new content comes out, it would be greatly appreciated. So let me first begin this by saying nothing that I'm going to be talking about in regards to urine therapy is FDA approved. I want you guys to do the research and make sure it is a proper practice for you. All of the information I'm going to be talking about is information that I've seen through personal practice. Friends and relatives and thousands of other people in group chats that I belong to have also noted similar benefits. So I want to make that very clear. So when it goes for benefits of practicing urine therapy, you're going to notice better results from applying the urine topically with aged urine instead of fresh. Fresh does work, aged will get you better results. But I also want to be clear, like I said, I'm not advising you to consume your urine. This is all going to be talked about doing topically, so I want to make that very clear. I'm not telling you to consume it. I want you to make sure this is a proper practice before doing that. So if you're going to practice with aged urine, just stick topically. Do not consume. If you're going to consume urine, don't consume the aged. So the first benefit you will notice in regards to Looksmaxing is that your hair is going to become thicker and fuller, and it's also could potentially stop baldness as it did for me. Hundreds of other people have noticed this as well. Even the dandruff goes away, so that's another benefit I didn't add in here. But yeah, for me, thicker and fuller hair, this is going to play a major role in that. And really, I don't even use shampoo anymore, and the best way to use this is to just apply it and let it dry for the best results. When you rinse it off with water, you're actually adding in contaminated water on top of that, so you're not going to get as good as results, and who knows what's in the tap water nowadays. That could actually be causing your baldness, but that's beside the point. Now the number two benefit that a lot of people are noticing, I didn't really ever have bad acne or blackhead when I was before doing this practice, so I didn't actually notice this myself, but a lot of people are noting that acne and blackheads go away from practicing this, especially with the aged urine. Again, apply it topical, let it dry, and let the magic start working. Number three, glowing skin, like I just said. Number four, what I have noticed, now this is another practice, I want to be very clear. If you do this practice, apply it safely and sanitary, and that is actually putting urine drops in your eyes. I talked about this in another video that urine therapy actually helps clear the eyes, so if you're bloodshot or if you have a yellow pigment to your eyes, it actually helps with clearing that up. I have noticed personally. And also another benefit, if you're somebody that doesn't get much sleep or you're very stressed out and you start to get those dark circles under your eyes, I noticed when I started to apply aged urine, I think it was, they completely went away. It was pretty magical what happened. I can't explain it to you. All I can understand is that in the aged urine there's a lot stronger stem cells. That's the only thing I could come up with, or the urea content in it's stronger, so it cleanses better. But whatever it's doing, it literally took those black circles under my eyes in no time flat. Number five, now I haven't noticed this, but people have noted that when you do get a pretty bad injury, you get a scab and then it scars over, or if you had a surgery and it's pretty fresh, that if you apply aged urine on it, keep a urine gauze pad on it, and apply it daily, that it actually helped the scar go away, so they can't even detect the scar on the skin. Now again, I haven't noticed this. I had ACL surgery. I will say it has made the scars stronger, if that makes sense, on my knees. I'm not sure if it's adding more elasticity to the scar that's making it stronger, but that's something I've definitely noticed. It hasn't disappeared. Some people have noticed that scars do disappear. And the last thing that a lot of people are going to love with this practice is less wrinkles. I know I'm in my 30s now, but I remember years ago I'd have like lines on my forehead, and I think it's how I hold my forehead a lot throughout the day, so I was starting to develop wrinkles. And ever since I started urine therapy, aged urine applied topically, they haven't gone away, but they definitely kind of blend in now, and it's not so noticeable, which is another added benefit that you guys are going to love with this practice. Now, like I said, for all of these practices, you can use fresh urine, but if you want the best results, aside from the adding it to the eyes, aged urine is going to work best. Now, I don't want you to put aged urine drops in your eyes. That's a big no-no, so don't do that. That will burn like hell, and who knows what will happen, so don't do that. But I want to make it very clear that Aged can be used for all the other things, applying it topically on your head and applying it on your skin. And for best results, you just apply it and let it dry. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this discussion on urine therapy and its Looksmaxing benefits. If there's anything I missed out, if you have questions on anything, please leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.